Biradi, welcome to you, my educational channel science tutorial. And children, today I will teach you simplification of decimal. This is very easy. Only you have to pay attention. The question is 4.5 into 1.25 by 7.5. Here, first of all, you have to cancel point. If you cancel point in the denominator, you will have to put 0 in numerator, that is in below. First of all, you have to multiply 1, and we see that after point 1 2 3 digit in the above, so we put here 30, and also in the below denominator we also have point and 1 digit, so we see 10 after multiply we put here 1 and 10. Now start to, because all point is cancelled, so similar process, that is already I have taught you about the cancelling these types of questions, and you can cancel it. Start from 45 cancelled by 5, and we find 9. 75 cancelled by 5 and we find 15. 9 cancelled by 3, we find 3, and 15 cancelled by 3, we find 5. And now again 3, it is cancelled by 3, but in the below there is no any digit which is cancelled by 3, so we start to cancel. 125 cancelled by 5, here 5 is cancelled, so we find 1. 25 cancelled by 5, here 100 cancelled by 5 and we find 20, and 5 is cancelled by 5, we find 4. So we, as a result, final result, we see that we find 3 by 4. I think that you have no problem in this question. You should do also one more similar questions. Go ahead. Question is 4.5 into 5.4 by 1.08 into 0.81 into 1.75. We have to do this question and we have to simplify this. Now go ahead for the simplification process. Similar process, we see that first of all 1.75 by 1 we have to put by 1, and after it we also give a 40 here, because we see that in above 1 2 3 4 digit after point, so we put here 40, and we in the below we also see 1 2 3 4 digit after point, so we see 40 in above after 1. So we start to cancel. First of all, 0 cancelling, 0 cancelled, 40 cancelled in above, in below, and go ahead for the cancelling. Start from 45 cancelled by 5, no 3, because 5 by 5 there is no any digit in below that will be cancelled, so start from 3, so we find 15. It cancelled by 3, so we find 36. Again cancel by 3, so we find 5. 36 cancelled by 3, so we find 12. Now this is 5 and in no any digit, and the below that will be divisible by 5, so we start to cancel. 54 by 2, we find 72, and 6 cancelled by 2, no, yes, 6 cancelled by 2, so we should if we cancel by 2 6, so we should give here 3. Pay attention, here is mistake. And if, again we cancel by 3, we cancel 3 1 ja 3, uh, because we find here 72, so we find here 9. And we find here 3 1 ja 3 1, you should put here. And 9 cancelled by 9, and we find 1, and we find here 9. So as a result we see that 5 into 175, we should first of all we should count the cancelling 1 2 3 4 5, and in the below 1 2 3 4 5 cancelling, because first of all I request you that you should see here, because this is not cancelled. I attack one more than in the below, so we should I think that this is correct. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So as a result, because I have already taught you about this, as a result we find 5 into 175, so we find in the above 875, and in the below 7 and 2 is also here, so 7 and 2, so we find that if we see 2 and 9, so we find here 18. So this is our answer, 875 by 18. This is also improper, so we should change this into mixed fraction, and we can see this mixed fraction here. Here you can see 48 wall 13 by yes 13 by 18. This is our answer. So I think that you have understood this question. There is no any problem this types of question, and you should do similar question. This will provide you a perfection. I request you that you all should do all this question, and so that you will be perfect to do mathematics in to simplify any types of questions, because simplification in mathematics is compulsory for any types of if you do any types of question, because without simplification you cannot go to your result. So I request you all the children, pay attention and try to learn. I assure you that you will be perfect day by day in mathematics. Thank you very much. If you like, you should share it, and also advise to your friends to subscribe this channel and get benefits. Thank you very much.